Yes, good morning, everyone. So, yesterday, just we started 13th chapter, advanced models. In this model inheritance, we have to apply inheritance between the models. There are five types of inheritances are there. Uh, Abstract base class, multi-table, multi-level, multiple proxy model. First one, abstract base class model. Yesterday theoretically I explained already. If multiple models having the same columns, instead of writing again and again, separate those columns, make it as a one base class. Extend that class to the remaining classes. Such a type of inheritance is called as abstract base class model inheritance. If several model classes having the some common fields. If several model classes having some common fields, then it is not recommended to write these fields in every model class. If several model classes having some common fields, then it is not recommended to write these fields in every model class separately, because it increases length of the code and reduces readability of the program. We have to separate those common fields into a separate model class, which is nothing but base class. If we extend base class, then automatically common fields will be inherited to every child class. So now create one project. Go to the D drive, CD, Django 31st March, Django-admin, start project, model inheritance project, CD inheritance project, py manage.py, start app, test app. Yes, project is created. Next, app is created. Next, add application in. నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటంటే ఐ వాంట్ టు షో ద టేబుల్స్ SQLite 3 అయితే ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ టు షో ద టేబుల్స్. I have to configure MySQL. Whenever I'm creating tables, I will show in the background admin panel and as well as in the database also. That's why I have to configure MySQL database for this project. Open the pie chart. First in the backend database lo create one database. Go to MySQL database. This is the MySQL. Password 1, 2, 3, 4. Generally, the root is the password. Show databases. So, ఇవన్నీ previous గా databases. MIDB 7:30 PM MIDB. So, I have to create one database. Our batch 7:30 AM kada. Model in DB 7:30 AM. Create database. MI database 7:30 AM. MIDB. Model inheritance database 7:30 AM batch. Okay. Now use that database or connect MI database underscore 7:30 AM is connected. Show tables. ఏమీ లేవు empty. Now in model class I have to create it and I can ask show tables. Definitely tables are created. This is our database name MIDB 7:30 AM. Configure this one into settings.py లో ఇదిగోండి MI project. First we add test app. Yeah, next database kada. First to change database settings. Otherwise it is using SQLite 3. ఇదిగోండి SQLite 3 బదులు MySQL. Database name of the database. Just now copy na MIDB 7:30 AM. Next username. Root. Password 1, 2, 3, 4. Host to port number are not required. Host means localhost port 3306. అది అవసరం లేదు. So This is the settings. అది డేటాబేస్ సెట్టింగ్స్. ఇప్పుడు క్రియేట్ ద మోడల్ క్లాస్. So I have to create the class, model class. Come to the models.py file. First, without inheritance, చూడండి how it is created. I have to take a class. What is the class name? Student is the class name. Parent class, models.model. Okay. Student have the name. Models.character field. Maximum length is the parameter. Next, student have email ID. Models.email field. Student have address. Address means character field. Student have roll number. Models.integer field. Student have marks. Models.integer field. This is the first class. Ante whenever model class is there, internal one table will be created. Same, I have to take one more class. The class name is teacher. Models.model is the parent class. Teacher is also having name, email, and address. Along with this, teacher have the subject. And teacher have the salary. Models.float field. Ivi two classes. Ikkada there is no inheritance. Student is the separate class, teacher is the separate class. No relation. Two independent classes are there without inheritance. If I want to implement inheritance means whatever common fields, name, email, address. Okay na? Delete this. ఇక్కడ కూడా కామన్ గా ఉంది కదా, delete. Yeah. Now take one class. That class name is any name you can give your wish. Class contact info. What is the parent class? Models.model. Whatever common columns, mention this. ఇప్పుడు ఈ స్టూడెంట్ కి టీచర్ కి గివ్ దిస్ క్లాస్ నాట్ మోడల్స్. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్. So it is a abstract in class కాబట్టి internal గా take one class meta. Inside it can go abstract equal to true. Then only it will become abstract base class inheritance. Otherwise it is normal inheritance. So within the class meta class, see, first class common columns I provided, I am inherited this class. Sir, once parenthesis లో ఇచ్చామంటే this is the parent, this is the child. This is the parent, this is the child. I'm applying inheritance. Make migrations and migrate. Automatically. So how many model classes are there? Three are there. This is called as inheritance. So every class, one table will be created. So models.py లో how many classes are there? ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 1, 2, 3. Whenever I can do make migrations, how many tables will be created? In tables create होते हैं. Every class is converted to table or no? So any tables ఉంటాయి? 1, 2, 3 tables. Because every model class is responsible to convert to one table. So now run this. Make migrations. Py manage.py. Make migrations. Next, migrate. Once make migrations and migrate is done, register, create super user and check to the backend panel how many tables are there. Admin.py. Go to admin panel from testapp.models import student comma teacher. Next, I have to register admin dot site dot register of student. Admin dot site dot register of teacher. Save this. Create one super user py manage.py create super user. Run the server. Now you have to check the carefully. Check to the backend database show tables. ఇందాక ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఏం లేవు ఇప్పుడు. How many tables are there? Student and teacher. But where is contact info? Models.py 3 classes are there. But 3 tables create అవ్వాలి కదా. 1, 2, 3. Check to the backend also how many tables are. Every model class compulsoryగా table will be created. But ఇక్కడ only 2 created there. Student, teacher, only 2 tables are there. What is the third table? Where is the third one? So student table, add student 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in my model class only 2 fields are there. Remaining 3 fields are taken from. Asla first of all, where is this table means internal ga this inheritance is applicable for code level, not the backend database level. Because of this abstract, table is not created. Adi reason. Otherwise, every model class, one table is created. If you go to this teacher, data not required, just is going. I have only subject salary, but 3 came from contact info. Go to backend. Backend also you can ask test app underscore student kada. Describe test app underscore student. 5 fields are there. Describe DESC test app underscore teacher. 5 fields are there. But మన model class లో only 2 fields are there. Roll number, marks, subject, salary. Backend already table created. 5 are available there. ఇక్కడ 5 are there. ఇక్కడ admin panel లో కూడా 5 are. How it is came? Because of this class, it is inherited. Why table not created means abstract equal to true. That is the reason. That is the first one. Abstract base class inheritance. Contact info class is abstract class and hence table won't be created. It is only for code level inheritance. This type of inheritance is